Hello, it is Sarah with Yoga for Classrooms. And because it is spooky season, I decided to do a quick little dress up as we do this fun yoga activity today. Today's activity comes from our Yoga for Classrooms activity card deck. And today, you might have guessed it, we are going to do cat. We're going to do our cat posture. And you might be used to doing cat before. Often we do cat cows in traditional yoga practices. However, in Yoga for Classrooms, we want all of our postures to be done without a mat, easy to implement right in your chairs or at your desks in the classroom. So this cat is seated. So go ahead and find a chair. And as always, we're going to start in that seated mountain posture. So make your way towards the front of the chair with your feet planted on the ground. Good. Make sure your back is straight, your shoulders are back, your head is tall. We're in that strong foundational seated mountain posture. Now from here with our cat, we're going to begin to bring our hands together with our fingers intertwined. And we are going to, with our palms out, inhale as we reach our hands up into the sky. Okay, so let's try that together. We're going to take a deep inhale. And then as we exhale, we're going to curve into our cat. Okay, so we're going to pull our belly in, round your shoulders, push your spine towards the back of your chair in that cat-like stretch. Very good. Come back up to the top. Oh my goodness. Do you see my dog? I think he thinks that I'm a cat and he's interested in me. We have cat and dog here with you today. So special treat for spooky season. All right, let's try that again. So remember, fingers intertwined. Breathe in as you lift them overhead. And then as you breathe out, you're going to pull your belly in, round your shoulders, push your spine towards the back of your chair into that cat-like stretch. Good. Now inhale to bring your arms back overhead. And exhale back into that cat. Good. Remember, we're really pulling our belly in, rounding our shoulders, pushing your spine towards the back of your chair. Go ahead and inhale up. And exhale back into that cat. Inhale. Hands overhead. Exhale, round. Last one, inhale your hands overhead. And exhale back into that cat. Very good. Go ahead and bring your hands back to your lap, back to that seated mountain position. Take a couple of deep breaths. Maybe roll out those shoulders. That cat is an excellent upper body stretch. Really releases that tension. Very good. One more final breath together in through your nose. And out. Thanks for playing along with me during spooky season. Thanks for allowing my dog to be a guest in our mindful moment for today. And most of all, thank you for joining me. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.